To remove the front bumper on the new C-Class, first protect the fenders with appropriate covers. For vehicles with pedestrian protection code U60, disconnect the ground wire from the battery. Raise the vehicle and take off the underride guard in the middle. Do the same with the front underride guard. Once gone, you get access to these two screws. The first is on the driver's side, the other one is opposite. Several expanding rivets follow. The first two can be found under the bumper. Continue in the wheel well. Here are another three. Then pull the fender liner to the side. Underneath are two screws to remove. Naturally repeat all the steps shown on the other side. Before continuing, please check if the pedestrian sensor is damaged. You'll find it on the passenger's side. Now remove the last 5 screws that hold the bumper. To remove the bumper, ask a colleague to help you and undo the electrical connectors. In our case, there's only one. Upon installation, check the bumper impact absorber and the gap dimensions. The rest is done in the reverse order.